Hey guys, welcome back. It's been a while and it's still a bit cold out here, but exciting times. We're taking Sea-Doo in to get the spring maintenance because springtime is coming up here. So I've got my baby right here, back out in the sunshine. Oh, it's so good to see her out in the daylight. So today basically what we're going to do is take this down to the dealership. I'm going to do the spring maintenance on it, and I've got a few little add-ons I'm going to put to it. So just want to say thanks to all the new subscribers over the winter. It's been so amazing. It's been a really great winter for the channel. Like I said, we're about to start doing some real adventures now. This one we're not really going to be on the water for the next maybe video or two. It's more just the prep for the season, so I hope you check these videos out and just get ready for all the stuff we got planned. We planned a lot of stuff going on this year, so I hope you check it out. So this is just kind of me getting the trailer all hooked up and Sea-Doo all ready to go travel down to the dealership. All right guys, let's get going. Got the trailer all hooked up, ready to go, cover on. Time for us to hit the road. So the dealership that I go to down here, obviously I'm in Toronto, Canada. So the dealership I'm going to is Energy Powersport. They look after me there at Oakville, so that's our destination for this morning. So let's hop on the road. Saturday morning early. Still see breath. It's cold tomorrow. It's like almost what, 17 degrees yesterday here Celsius, so 61, 62 Fahrenheit, and now it's like 32, 33. We're supposed to warm up this afternoon, so like, you know, it's like 0 degrees here right now. So, but all we can think about is getting back out on the water. So that's why we're doing this right now, because they're calling for an early spring up here. So it'll be exciting. So let's hit the road. Should be good, and yeah, we'll go from there. See you at the dealership. Alright guys, well, we've dropped off the Sea-Doo here at Energy Powersports. Talked to them, great guys there. So left it with them, let them do the upgrades, put on the oil changes, and we'll be back to pick it up in a little bit. So there will be a time jump until we get to that point. So see you when I'm back here picking it up.